Alright guys, this is an unboxing of the Glock 26 Gen 3. I got this baby yesterday. So what comes in the box, comes the Glock itself, another magazine. It doesn't come with this, I added this yesterday. And it comes with this thing that nobody uses because it's trash. The log, the cleaning rod, and the papers. Really small grip with this mags. I don't use this mags never. Just when I go to the range. Like, I guess it's alright. I don't like them for carry. So what do I use when I carry? I use this. You can buy this on eBay. It's like, I think it's like 10 bucks plus one. It gives me a full grip, or do what I did. G19 mag with the X grip. Now you got a full grip on a G26, and you got 15 plus 1. I haven't shot this baby yet. So you got the OEM sights. I'm waiting for the Trigicon night sights. What do I replace on these guns? I replace the sights for my carry. The sights slide lock, unlike these ones, they're pretty hard to pretty uncomfortable to use. I don't like those. I changed the trigger. I don't like the trigger. This is a agency orange trigger. This trigger is amazing. You guys gotta try it out. Wall is one of those predictable triggers that you know when it's gonna break. Wall, break. Reset, wall, break. So yeah, that's my baby right here. Let's open her up. So guys, this happened to me when I got the Glock. I noticed there was like this orange rust looking like on the sides. It's not rust. They're using a new oil, orange oil on newer Glocks, and it looks like rust, but it's not. Once you clean it off, that's it. It's just oil. Another thing that I always change on my carries, it's the trigger housing. If it's a Gen 3, I'll go for the Gen 4, which has a different ejector. I changed the connector for 3.5 and the spring on the trigger, and it works awesome, I'm telling you. So yeah, if you guys want me to do a video on how to replace the trigger or anything you guys want to know step by step, I'll be more than happy to do it. So yeah guys, this is my carry, brand new baby, and I want to show you guys something. I'll probably do another video reviewing this, but I'm just going to show it to you guys real quick. This is my range baby. So I got this 33 plus 5, so it's 39 round mag because I added this plus 5. And the Polymer 80 G19. Yep. I built this baby from scratch. I shot it like almost 1,000 rounds or more. If you guys want to know the parts, LJs, Polymer 80, you know, this trigger is amazing too. This is a Seprico, yeah, Seprico trigger. Yeah, this trigger is amazing too. I got the Vortex Viper red dot. It works perfect. I haven't had any issues with it. It's cheap. It's like 230 bucks compared with the 300, 500 bucks the Holosums or the Trigicon. But yeah, it's my baby. If you guys want, I'll do a review on all the parts that I used, what probably my 80 frame, all the internal parts. I'll be more than happy to do it. So yeah, this is my baby. Peace, be safe.